Anytime your vehicle gets close to another vehicle, your risk dramatically increases. Lane changes, intersections, and merging are all places where another vehicle can affect you. Lane changing and merging collisions are among the most common types of incidents that occur between large trucks and passenger vehicles, and the results are normally severe. Most lane change collisions can be prevented by using basic defensive driving principles. To reduce lane change collisions, drivers must anticipate hazards and communicate their intention before initiating a lane change or merging maneuver. Most drivers involved in lane change collisions did not attempt to avoid the collision, which suggests that the drivers did not see or were unaware of the presence of another vehicle or hazard. In this lesson, we are going to discuss ways in which you, as a professional driver, can prevent lane change, intersection, and merging collisions.